Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I am going to be showing you my slime because we already showed you my little cousin slime. I only have like 3, so we're just gonna start.
I have to correct her. Tonight we are showing you her slides.
Oh yeah. Don't mind my legs. I got sunburnt. Like a little bit. But anyways, so this, I didn't really name them, but this is sort of like a fluffy, stretchy, sticky slime that my cousin gave me. It comes apart really easy. It's not really loud.
Are you killing it?
Yeah.
Sarah.
Give me this.
I didn't have it.
Yes, you did. Okay, so my next one, I called this one fireworks sign because it has red and blue sparkles in it, if I could get it out.
You're shaking my bed. Okay, I think this is a disadvantage of being on the top bunk because it shakes.
But I like the top bunk. So, and then I have one more.
Yeah, one more.
One more.
One magical more.
And it is actually in a container instead of a bag. And it's fluffy slime. Oh, it's getting glitter in it. So that is all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Peace.